In front of me is TECNO Phantom V Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Auto Brightness shortcut, in this case Adaptive Brightness 1. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is blue, which means that adaptive brightness is on. To switch it off, tap on the same shortcut. If you want to, you can also go into settings and scroll down to access display and brightness. Then use the switcher next to adaptive brightness feature to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!